Tell us, walk us through, anong proseso ang ginawa mo sa paggawa mo ng mga summary na to?
During the evaluation po, I tabulated po yung acknowledgement receipts. Doon po based sa date, kung kailan sila na-execute, the expense, and the amount po. Kaya ang nakalagay po sa tabulation ko is the date, the amount, and the expense po.
Yung pangalan?
Hindi ko na po na-tabulate yung sa names
Okay, so nakalagay dyan yung amount, yung date,
and yung expense po.
at yung expense. But if I show to you certain acknowledgement receipts, which were part of the documents that you said were turned over to the COA ICFAO office, would you be able, pag pinakita sa'yo certain acknowledgement receipts na parte, na nasa part ng tabulation or summary mo, would you be able to identify the same?
Yes po.
Okay, I'll show you now. And with the kind permission of this honorable court, we have chosen certain acknowledgement receipts to be flashed on the screen, Your Honor, and being shown to the witness. Marked as Exhibit P-1-8-1418 is a certain Pia Piato Slim. Could you read the date, Madam Witness?
Dito po is
Can you
May 17.
please speak louder? Speak to the mic.
May 17, 2023, na-receive po ni Pia Piato Slim
Para saan ito, allegedly?
for the purchase of information po.
Okay. And may signature dyan sa ilalim. Whose signature is this at the bottom?
Ito po is signature po ng admin staff namin sa ICFAO.
Who is your admin staff in ICFAO?
Si Mr. Davin E. Bakay po.
David Bakay.
Davin E. Bakay.
Yeah. And that is his signature, administrative. Ano ang significance nitong C9 ng administrative staff ninyo? Ang acknowledgement receipts.
Pinapatunayan po nitong certification na ito po yung copy na sinubmit sa amin ng OBP na nasa file po.
Pinapatunayan na ang binabasa mo ay kasama sa binigay ng respondent.
Yes po, kasama po ito sa binigay sa amin na acknowledgement receipt in response po sa AOM.
So yung summary ng acknowledgement receipts for the first quarter and second quarter ng Office of the Vice President consisting of 1,049 separate acknowledgement receipts. Sabihin mo nga sa amin kung meron similar signature ang all other acknowledgement receipts ni Mr. Davin Bakay.
Yes po, dun po sa mga acknowledgement receipts na ito is lahat po sinertify ni Mr. Bakay na ito po ay mga kopya ng acknowledgement receipts na sinubmit po sa amin ng OBP.
Punta naman tayo sa P-1-8-1483. Pangalan ng... Please read for the record.
Acknowledgement receipt. This is to acknowledge receipt of the amount of 150,000 pesos for the purchase of information received by Ralph Josh Bacon on June 20, 2023.
Bacon. Okay. Alas 12 na, gutom na tayo. Yung susunod na pangalan, mukhang P-1-8-928. Pakibasa for the record.
Acknowledgement receipt. This is to acknowledge receipt of the amount of 50,000 pesos for the purchase of information received by Ann Ong Pauco, date March 20, 2023.
Okay, next. P-1-8-1015. Pangalan ni Heart Santiago. Pakibasa. Bumili siya ng supplies.
This is to acknowledge receipt of the amount of 250,000 pesos for the purchase or rental of supplies materials and equipment for confidential operations, open and close parentheses, payment for the purchase of supplies received by Hart Santiago, date Feb 27, 2023.
Kanina, Madam Witness, merong Pauco tsaka merong Heart. Tinanong mo ba kung sino ito at kung related sila sa presiding officer natin?
Hindi po.
Hindi naman. Bakit hindi? Bakit hindi ka nag-verify ng mga pangalan? May pagkain na bacon, may parang kamag-anak ni Hart. Why did you not verify the names in this 1,049 acknowledgement receipts?
Sa ICFO po kasi ang ginagawa namin is compliance audit po.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
I-check po namin kung compliant ba sa joint circular at kompleto at proper ba yung mga liquidation documents po na sinasubmit sa amin in relation po sa provisions ng joint circular.
Okay, sinabi mo kung proper ba. Ito bang payment of purchase of supplies, proper ba yan sa paggamit ng confidential funds?
Yung payment for supplies po, kasama po siya doon sa enumeration kapag payment for supplies na ginamit po sa confidential operations.
At sinabi mo earlier, dapat yung mga sinasubmit may kasamang sales invoice at mga kasamang purchase documents. Meron bang kasama? Dito sinubmit ni Ms. Hart.
Wala po.
Wala. P-1-8-1807, Fiona Villegas. Pakibasa.
Acknowledgement receipt. This is to acknowledge receipt of the amount of 500,000 for the purchase or rental of supplies, materials, and equipment for confidential operations. Open and close parentheses, purchase of provision of medical and food aid.
Yeah. Nakalagay purchase of medical and food aid. Ito ba ay isang ayon sa pinapayagan na paggamitan ng confidential funds?
Based po dito, nakalagay po na it's for the purchase of supplies na naka-open and close po, provision of medical and food aid.
P-1-8, 1466. Kamag-anak ata to ni Senator Bong Revilla. Beth Revilla, 50,000. Purchase of information. Ang purchase of information ba ay allowable expense?
Yes po, under 4.8.1 po, kasama po ang purchase of information.
Kung kasama, bakit mo disallow itong purchase of information?
Hindi po ito kasama dun sa na-disallow po.
Ito.
Hindi
Okay.
po.
Balik naman tayo sa P-1-8-1220. Kamag-anak naman to ni Senator Risa Ontiveros.